Hello everyone, this is Kateri and I'm back for another sale video of some really, I think, pretty awesome stuff, sorta, depending on who is interested in it, I guess. But I have this stories of Hans Andersen, and I forgot to write my ticket out on this, so I'm going to do that super quick. And while I'm doing this, Andersen, while I going through this, this book is going to be $9. And I've seen it for a little more than that, but it's a really cool book, and I wanted to tell you the stories that are in it, which is the Snow Queen, the Tinderbox, the Little Mermaid, the Little Match Girl, the Wild Swans, and the Emperor's New Clothes. And I'll just flip through. There are pictures every so often in here, and if you want to read this to your child, a grandchild, or use in a journal, you could do that. But the pages that don't have color on them, they actually could be colored if, you wanted to do that. But they're beautiful line drawings. So, here's a couple of pictures right here. And I think my mom used to read this to my niece, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I may not even gotten this from my mom. But here's another colored page. Looks like two big eyeballs. There's a dog running with a girl. And yeah, that dog's got some big old eyes on him. The Little Mermaid. There's a ship. I know there's a colored page somewhere. Yeah, right here. And I really love the pictures in here, but I don't do journals with all this color. I know Abril loves color, and a friend of mine, ours, who's ever's watching, and yeah, so if any, and this is the Little Match Girl here, and the Wild Swans. Look at that, isn't that cool? And then this is kind of, ooh, I didn't see that. He's hideous. Ugh. Wow. So now we're still at the Wild Swans, and then the Emperor's New Clothes. So as I was flipping through this a minute ago to open the book, and I did it from the back. Oh yeah, he's nude. Yeah, I guess he lost his clothes. So I can't laugh right, you guys. I was so sick the other day. My ribs are killing me in the back. So, but anyway, this book will be $9, and so if you're interested, let me know in the description down below. And then we have this Golden Guide, Families of Birds. And I wrote on here, this is a 1971 reprint, which it's about 50 years old, 49 years. But I've got one of these already, so, but like, you know, they're super easy pictures to cut out if you want to do that. There's not a whole lot of, you know, fussy cutting. Look at that penguin. He's so cute. But anyway, like I said, the pictures are easy to cut out. Not a lot of, you know, jagged parts, you know, from their tail feathers or wings or anything like that. So, if you're interested in this little book, see, these are just perfect. Look at him. Isn't he cool? He's a kingfisher. I think they are cool. Just perfect size for, you know, in the corner of a journal. I really like this book much more than some of the newer ones, because they have writing through them or other birds through them. You know, this is pretty open. So anyway, I have $2 on this book. So in the description box down below, if you're interested. Now, I have these. I think I showed these once before, quite a while ago. And this is 20 pictures times 2 is 40, or thereabouts, should I say. I didn't know that's, because the pictures have somewhat pictures on the back of them also. And they were cut exactly in half, because the other half was identical to this half. And what it is one picture is brought up by a fraction of a centimeter. So it looks like it's 3D when you're looking through that, you know, thing that they used to hold. So there are 20 pictures that you can use. You can decide, you know, which side. Look at that beautiful horse, those horses. There's field pictures. Every one of these are different. Each one that I've set, I love this because it's a library. I love libraries. So just neat little picture you can use as background, you know, and you can collage over the top of it. There's all kinds of, use it as a pocket. I mean, they're perfect for pockets. So, see, there's some men. Yeah. So that'll give you some kind of an idea. There's an old church, which is probably still standing. This is St. Michael's Catholic Church, 1859. Wish I knew where it was. I don't know if I could find the other side of that. I just have to see. But it's, I don't think these are not just Indiana pictures. These are pictures from everywhere. So maybe there's not a total of 40, but we'll say there's 35 pictures altogether. See, that guy is actually holding the thing that you use to look at these pictures. And we don't have those anymore. So, yeah. But, yeah, I was just looking. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what we have. They're $1.75 a pack. And like I said, there's 20 sheets in here, so there's approximately, we'll say 35 pictures, maybe 40, just kind of depends. So that would be this pack. Here, let me fix this back up again. I messed it up. And the last thing in this video are the birds and blooms. And my mom used to get these. And they're so cool. I love looking at them. But you can cut pictures of the birds out in here if you like. And if you just love birds, they actually put in here what you can do to attract certain birds, which is cool. Look at those flowers. See, and you can use these pages here for envelopes too, and just cover up your little pieces if you need to. But look, isn't that gorgeous? But all these books are like this. They just have their neat full pages. That's a baby robin right there. Used to raise those little boogers. They're pretty clean birds, let me tell you. So look at that one. Isn't he really unique? He's so pretty. And that little stinker. He's so cute. So, and I actually saw a picture of a Baltimore Oriole in one of these that they just laid the jelly on top of the orange, and the Oriole was eating off of that, but I have a feeder that has sections for that. Look at that. They're eating something out of there. I think, isn't that a, I don't know. Is that seed? See, I need to read that. I don't know if they poke holes in there and they're putting the seeds in there for storage, or if they've poked holes and they're getting bugs out of there. I don't know. They actually look like a peanut, but I don't know. See, there's more flowers. Look at that. So all of these books have, I love this. They're so cool. What are they called? Clarabelle, or what are they called? Coral bells. I was close. Look at him. That's a pretty bird. So anyway, I have the Christmas one, which it says January on it. This one is November with the, I guess, woodpecker. I guess that's what he looks like to me, because that's what we have. And this is this is April, May, with the little yellow bird. And this is the yellow finch with the sunflower. Free seed. Boy, that's the truth. And then we have the owls. So if you are interested in these, just let me know in the comments below. They are $1 each. So I think that's all we have for this video today. I hope that everybody finds something in the videos that I've been posting, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.